Curie draft again. Let's break down the trunk rotations and knee circles. All right, so trunk rotations, soft knees, hands can be at your chest because we're going to rotate and step out like this. You can really get your arms into it and extend, or you can just keep your hands on your hips and rotate. The point here is getting your shoulders to actually rotate as you step out. So it's stepping out and turning the shoulders, all right? That's your rotation. And then knee circles, same idea, soft, loosey-goosey knees. Everything is fluid. Hands are on your hips, and you're just making circles with the knees, one direction, keeping your knees pressed together, and then the other direction. Super simple. And you can go as deep as you want and like really get your upper body into it too, or just stay shallow. All right, easy enough for that one.